Okay, well, hello, Vin. How are you?
Hi, sir.
Okay, I mean, like, we
Yes,
would
sir.
like to know about your experience. What kind of experience you had, like, when you've been through PSB, Preliminary Selection Board of Indian Coast Guard. If you see that PSB is totally different from SSB. So, what your take on that? Like, right from your beginning, the journey you've gone through that, and the result came, and just you want to know each and everything about that. So, please, can you just give us a little bit introduction about you, and then we can proceed further with the whole discussion on that. And it will be try to make sure it to be to the point, not like you beating around the bush, right? So don't want to waste your time and other users' time also.
But currently, I'm preparing for my defense examination, and Indian Coast Guard is my first attempt. I mean, first defense exam which I have gone through. This is my first exam, Indian Coast Guard. Then, actually, in my family there are four members. Father is working in Infosys. Currently, he was in Noida. So I thought of coming Noida and taking my Indian Coast Guard exam, PSB. A long back, actually a long back, I got a notification in my YouTube channel that Indian Coast Guard is releasing that examination assignment commanded. So I gone through it and then I submitted my application. So my dad insists me to apply from Noida because it is a main center. So I applied at Noida. Then actually my PSB was on August 6th. I
Six
came
August.
10 days before to Noida.
Okay.
Yeah, August 6th, and I came 10 days before to Noida. I just gone through some of the videos in YouTube. So that time I saw a YouTube channel that bad as selection officer. In that I saw that section 7 and section 4, in which that is section 7 is of repetition and section 4 of memory based questions, which which are very easy for me to practice. So just gone through it, a lot of many practices taken, and just quite common things, just number series. That's all. Then after preparation, my days come on PSB on August 6th. My batch timing was 10 a.m. From here, I picked up an auto. Then I reached there around 9 o'clock, 9:30. I reached there. After that, they checked my all details. In the starting, they checked admit card and COVID negativity and my identity proof. After that, they took me into a basement and they verified all my
I mean, at
documents.
the time of entry, they'll check outside the gate, like everything, right? What are the documents they're looking for? They're looking for the ID card and
Yes, sir.
then COVID report, maybe negative RT-PCR, or what do you say, any asymptotic that certificate are provided by the doctor, MBBS doctor, right?
Yes, sir. In the gate itself, they are checking about three things, sir. E-admit card and COVID asymptomatic. That's it. That the form that provided in that website also. COVID, Coast Guard website,
Exactly,
they are providing
exactly.
the form of COVID. Yeah,
And one more thing,
exactly.
like
We can use that.
how was the dress code of the people over there? The candidates who reported over there, like they were in the
And
formal jeans or
yeah,
normal trousers. What was their main like dress, the formal dress or something?
uh, they are actually some people coming from their hometown directly from the morning itself. So they are wearing unusual dresses, casual dresses. In jeans, they are wearing some on jeans, casual shoes, and t-shirts.
Okay,
Quite some of the peoples only they are wearing pure formals, and some people coat and tie also.
blazer also.
In that I wear, uh, yes sir,
In that with the garmi
blazer
mein
also.
blazer. Okay,
Yes sir. So I wear pure formals with tie, no blazer.
cool.
Formal shoes perfectly I went it. I saw a lot of people's t-shirt, track they are wearing and coming,
Okay.
but they are allowing for that. That's not issues for that.
No, no,
In entry, they
that
are
is a
checking of three
totally
things.
that is totally
Then
secondary thing. That's not that mandatory. But you should go like in a formal if it is if you have
yes sir,
some issues not out there, because
yes sir,
first impression is the last impression kind of. But in OIR that doesn't play any
yes
role.
sir. But
People need their own
yeah,
place.
yeah, yes sir,
So like that. So how many
yes
people
sir,
reported on the first day, like the day you went over there?
yes sir. They actually around 140 they are reported, sir. Actually, I entered around 50. Actually, I started entered in 2:50. So after that, they are coming. Still, they are coming around till 11 o'clock. They are still coming.
So what was your batch timing?
So they
Reporting?
split into two groups.
What was the
First of
reporting?
80, 10 a.m. So 10
in the
a.m.
morning. And how many people reported that 10 a.m.? 150.
140, sir.
140.
Yes, sir. Approximately 140, sir.
That's too
Yes, sir.
too much. Yeah, so many people. Okay. Then
Yes, sir. Then they split it into two groups. First half into 80 people, 80 candidates. Then another two secondary, so that can be easy for the conduct the test.
okay, cool, makes sense.
Then the first 80 people fight. Yeah, sir. The first 80 candidates, they are after the verification. Nothing in verification. They are checking that our e-admit card, our 10th mark sheet and pass certificate, 12th mark sheet and pass certificate. If the candidates is passed out till 2020, is eligible with provisional certificate.
Okay.
If the candidates is passed, if the candidates is around 2019 or earlier, he should provide his original degree certificate. Otherwise, he should provide some certificate, bona fide certificate from his college.
Okay, any kind of proof should be there. That
So I provided, I completed 2020. So
right?
I have, yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I have professional because I completed 2020 itself.
Okay,
So
great.
nothing issues for me. Then after that, all semester mark sheet should be available. Then your character certificate, if you belongs to which character, SC, ST, OBC. So I belongs to OBC. So in that OBC should be if state only, no state. Central should be there.
Okay, central certificate.
Some people giving their OBC certificate for state. Yeah. No state will be available for that, and they won't allow. For state people, they will send directly back to home. That's the reason, main reason for that verification. Lot candidates went there.
I mean, what about
Yes, sir.
character certificate? They were asking character certificate when they are taking document verification. No, right?
Yes, sir. Actually, at the starting, no, sir. They are not asking character certificate at the starting, sir. After the completion of both, they are asking about character certificate, original.
Okay,
So no need of character certificate in the early.
You're the first 80 batch students, right?
Yes, sir.
So what were the like how it affects the position where you like they made you sit in the room? Which position like you were there, like in which place? First front or first row, second row, or third row, last position in between or in the first? Where you got an opportunity to sit?
Sir, while in verification or in test?
Not verification, in OIR time. Now we are at the like OIR right now. हम OIR की बात
Oh
कर
yeah,
रहे हैं
yeah.
अभी.
Okay. In the OIR, there's a big hall.
Right.
They are arranged in six rows, sir. I was seated in sixth row, towards the wall. Towards the wall, so that it will be for my height. It will be comfortable to visible.
Okay, when you sit at the corner, that would be
I
more
seated in
comfortable, or you sit in between, that would be more comfortable. Like if you sit towards the wall side, that is more comfortable.
Sir, sitting in the corner, it will, yeah. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Sitting in the corner, it will be more comfortable, so that you can tiltly sit and you can see easily. In between, if another candidate is height, so you can't visible properly. You have to get up in the chair a little bit, then you have to see, then you have to write, then you have to mark.
Okay.
It will be quite difficult.
Okay. So
Middle, sir.
Okay,
in the
middle.
sixth row.
Okay, middle
From
and towards the
starting
wall
the
side,
sixth
right?
row. Yes, sir. Towards the wall side.
Okay, what is your height?
No disturbance in the wall side. We can tilt also. Yes, sir.
Okay, what is your height?
Sir, 182 centimeters, sir. 182 centimeters.
182.
6 feet.
6 feet. Then you.
Yes, sir. 6 feet. 6 feet 1 inch.
So you'll not be having any problem. Like anywhere you can solve
Yes, sir.
problems. Because of
Yes,
your
sir.
height, you have advantage.
But it's
Yeah.
yes, sir. So it's very easy for me to sit in the wall side. So if you can tilt also, it will be easy visible, sir. No issues for that.
So tell us, like,
Yes.
what was the situation in the room when when people are, giving their OIR exam? Like when set 1 pops up, then set 2, then set 3, then set 4. What was the condition over there? The people are getting panic.
Sir,
Like the
actually,
time.
I do.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Just tell me, please.
Yes, actually, PSP starts on the 4th. So my batch is on 6th. So no questions, no nothing, no anything, no knowledge of OAR.
Exactly.
Just only knowledge of previous question, previous year. Just I just gone through it. When I saw the first section, I got panicked seriously
That blood relation.
because yes, no, not on blood relation. The number series itself. They are showing some example list of example instruction.
Okay.
5, 7 dash. This will be the number series. But in the question, the first question, they are switch formation, completion of image. So we didn't accept that. Seriously, I was just panicked for 20 seconds. What kind of this question is? I'm not aware of that question and all. I just practiced for number series and blood relation. That's all, quite common thing. Then I got panicked. Then I should little bit take time to overcome it, sir.
Okay.
Then after that seeing only one number question series, only one number question, which is difficult for me to solve it.
Okay.
Maybe some panic situation, I can't. Yeah, for me difficult to solve that situation for number series. I think maybe panic situation. I don't know. After that, I saw 7 blood relation question which are very difficult, not direct questions. Only two questions is direct. Then out of which 5 are indirect questions.
5 like more tough
It
or
take
moderate
more
level, you can say
than
that.
yes sir, yes sir. Difficult for me. Then I have managed to solve around 4 to 5 questions in section 1.
Okay.
That's all. Then another 5 questions I just made do as it is. In section 2, it's quite easy. 10 seconds they given. It's synonyms and spelling mistake. It's quite common. We can easily identify it.
Okay.
So nothing panic in that.
Synonyms and spelling mistakes, right?
Yes sir. No antonyms. Nothing.
No antonyms.
Only one jumbled sentences came.
Okay, jumbled sentence.
Only one jumbled sentence.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes sir. It's very easy only. Not more. Not that much difficult.
So 10 questions were there total, right?
Yes sir. 10 questions.
Okay. So they were like very easy level, not very high level, right?
Yes sir.
Time given to
Just
that?
time plays important role. Yes, 10 seconds sir.
10 seconds. Okay, not a big deal. You can do that 10 seconds. Okay.
Yes sir. If you are not panic, you can easily solve it.
Exactly,
Yes sir.
because
Time plays a major
because
role.
the pressure is already built, no? Just because of blood relation, people are not able to solve those questions, right?
Yes
So
sir.
the pressure keep on building, and
Yes, sir.
that's how maybe that will affect your next set.
Yes sir.
I think maybe that was not reason, but the time I think you gained the confidence in the set 2. Okay, I am able to solve all the questions.
Yes sir.
So what was the set 3 now?
Yes sir. Section 3 is of mirror images, rotation plus mirror images. Yeah. Yes sir. Yes, very easy for mirror image to solve because I practice a lot in mirror image. I know the basic rules and regulations. The rules for to solve mirror images.
Set 4 is this one, right?
Set 4 is purely memory based. Yes sir, memory based sir.
Okay, how many questions were there? 10.
They are not saying the time. 10 questions sir.
Okay.
Sir, approximately we can say the time given to show the 3 seconds to saw and 4 seconds to identify.
Okay, 3 seconds you have
Yes,
to observe
approximately.
and 4 seconds you have to mark it.
Yes sir.
How many options were there? Like 6.
Mark it.
6 options, right? To have no A, B, C, D, E, F.
6 options sir. Yes sir.
Okay,
A, B, C, D, E, F.
what was the label of questions?
6 options. Easy sir.
Easy. And when you
You can easily identify.
Okay.
You can easily identify, but not a big deal in that. So they are just only small alphabets. Then again next numbers, big alphabets. They are not interchanging in between that. One small, one big, one. So it's very easy to solve it.
Okay, like that it was, right? So, what do you find
Yes, sir.
our series of our channel, like Battles of our Selection Board, YouTube channel is there? So, his series are like more complicated, tough, or if the what you saw over there that was too tough? But like, which one is more tough?
In our channel, the memory base is little bit tough.
Okay.
We can say that if you practice this, that one we can solve it easily.
Over there, right, in exam.
Yes, sir. In exam we can, yes, sir. Over there in exam we can solve easily.
So have you gone through the videos which I uploaded over there, set 4?
Yes, sir.
You practiced well, right?
All the parts I have completed.
All the parts from 40.
Yes, sir. I have.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I completed all till actually not about 22. Till August 6 morning, you have uploaded 22 parts. I think I remember.
Exactly.
I completed fully.
Okay. So means you.
Yes, sir. I can remember till.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So it means like when you were standing or like sitting in the like room or hall somewhere. So time also you're reading, right? All the questions.
Yes, sir.
That is, I mean, that will
Yes,
play a
sir.
very vital role in
That-
clearing of OIR.
Yes, yes.
You should not stand or waste your time unnecessarily on chit chatting with
Yes, sir.
everybody, right? So you make use of your time perfectly, right?
Yes, sir. Correctly.
That's great. And what about set 4-5?
Section 5 is full of word formation, and the time given is 60 seconds.
So you don't have already you know some words already. I told you some words, word formation that time. I think I explained 2-3 words.
No, sir. No, sir. I don't remember, sir. Actually, I don't know, sir. Really saying, that is my first word. You said just experience. In that experience, we have to use in between X. Using X, you have to solve.
Five letters. What I told you.
Yeah,
right?
one word.
Experience, 5-letter word. And guys, if you are listening this
Yes, sir. Yes,
audio
sir.
right now, experience. One question would be that I'm letting you know right now. Experience, like you have to make 5-letter words or 6-letter words where X comes in between. We can't say that because in every set questions
Yes,
are
sir.
different. Some people times they say 4 seconds. Sorry, 5 words or 6 words. It's your call. Check on internet and go through that and solve it. Yes, Arvind. Please proceed.
Yes, sir.
Any other question you remember? We'll see when people want to join. They'll come and we'll definitely
Got it,
provide
got it.
them.
Yeah.
We are not charging anything for that, right? It's for
Yes,
free.
sir.
Come and get that, but you should invest your time.
Yeah, right.
So,
Yes,
so yellow word. Okay, that's all. Yellow and W should be there, and 4, 5, 6 letters of word. Any word have come. Anything can come.
Yes,
in
sir.
an exam. Maybe it's 4, 5,
Yes,
or
sir.
6. Then you should be ready for that. I'm right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Arvind. Now tell me the section 6, right? Yeah, section. What about section 6?
Section 6 is purely analogy, but they are mentioning about odd one out.
Okay. Can you tell one?
They are just
one question
saying
of
the
odd
section
one out?
name.
One question.
Just oil. Question is oil, wax, cement, glue.
So oil is the right answer, right?
Then the option. Yes, sir. Just basic.
Okay, cool, fine.
It's a common basic.
So odd one out was
Yeah.
there or analogies? Analogies were there, right?
Yes, sir. It's actually three odd one questions for English.
Mm-hmm.
Then 2 number series questions odd out, and one will be a root question, and one will be arithmetic equation solving equation.
So what is
Yes,
the
sir.
root question? Everyone knows, right? Whoever going for PSC,
Yes, sir.
everyone knows
It's
that.
quite common.
What is that? Tell you.
Yes,
you
sir.
can,
It's the same question repeating a lot of.
You can say that.
Yes,
no,
sir.
it's just-
Root 676.
Okay.
Yeah, root 676 plus root 33 plus sorry, not root plus 335.
335, right? When you make it, you'll get root 19.
Yes, sir. Answer will be root 19.
Yeah. Root 19 is 361, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Not
Root-
root 19.
root
Some 19 or root 19. See the option because every board it is quite different, but somewhere it will 19 or root 19 you'll get the answer. Because root 9, if you do it
Yes,
square,
sir.
it's 361. Yes, actually it should be root 19.
Yes, sir.
Okay, correct. You have to check answer before you proceed there, right? Because we can't say that. Totally depends on the question what they were asking. Sometimes they do some changes and you guys will be in the trouble.
Yes,
then,
sir.
right? I don't want anyone guys to get fucked just because of shitty things. Some small unnecessary. Okay, and Arvind, what was our last part, which is we say God part of the PSB of OR?
Yeah,
OR
it's
of PSB,
very,
yes.
very easy. For me, it's very easy, sir. Yes, yeah, because repetition part, they won't say the time limit.
Okay.
Approximately, they won't say the time how much given.
But actually,
Yes,
when
they will be
was the
mentioning
deadline?
about
When
6 seconds.
they let you know instructions and all, it was mentioned clearly, right? This how many seconds they were giving? 7 to 8 seconds is mentioned over there, right?
No, sir, they're not mentioning the seconds. In the part 4, sorry, section 4 and section 7, they are not mentioning the time.
Is it? I'm not sure about it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, as per you
Yes,
saying
sir.
it is.
I'm sure, sir. The invigilator is making quick. Sir, the invigilator is making fast. When we approaching section 7,
Mm-hmm.
the invigilator just say that it will be very easy. You have to fast, 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 fast. Just we don't have any time to read instruction also.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So we can't say that time limit. Yes, sir.
Okay.
And in section 7 is nothing. Nothing can we say. Yes, sir. It's very
So,
easy for me to solve it.
so maybe you practice from somewhere, from YouTube channels and all, like from where you practice that, because it requires a huge amount of practice if you want to clear that 6 7. How many make you clear? Like what do you
Yes,
think?
sir.
How many you thought like all are right? How many like questions were right from your end? 10, 12, 13 or 20?
20 out of 20, sir.
Fuck man.
Yes, sir.
How?
Around 20.
How is it possible?
Yes. Yes, sir. Sir, I can say that I have enough time to solve it. Enough time to mark it, sir. I can say that.
Okay, so how many times you practice our set series, which I uploaded on the YouTube?
Sir, more than 52 times, sir. More than 50 times.
Okay, so means
Yeah.
you're hungry to get those stars and stripes on the shoes, right?
Yes, sir. More than 50 times I practice a lot.
Okay. That
Yeah.
that's why I talk about, like, people say, sir, we couldn't clear the OIR. I know that is one of the reasons. People say, okay, no, sir, actually I have that problem, this problem. You want to give excuses, go give excuses to someone else. Right?
Yes,
The thing is that you should, if the more you practice, the more you become, experienced in that, the more easily able to solve it. I think you only called me and told me that I have some seconds left, 1 or 2 seconds left when I was
Yes,
marking.
sir.
You
Yes,
the
sir.
person,
It's
right?
me only. Yes, sir. I have still time check. After completing the one mark, I have just 10 milliseconds.
10 milliseconds.
I was ready. Yes, I was ready for the next question, sir. No time lag.
Okay, where we were, I was asking like how you did that, the set 7. Like still you have some time to left now when you're looking to the presentation,
Yes,
to
sir.
the board.
I have still time to. Yes, sir. So without practicing, we can't solve it, sir. I'm saying out of 80 candidates, more than 60 are just they have time.
Okay, actually,
One question is left. They are lefting
I'm
all
getting a
5
lot
points.
of comments on my channel, comments in videos. The people are like, no, it's impossible to solve, and things are there. What I told you, 0.75. Do you think like what I gave you, 0.75, the situation over there is also too fast? And depends on sometimes, because even officer is also
No,
making manually, like increasing the speed of that. That's true? Or I'm only saying, I'm lying to my people who following channel.
No, sir. No, sir. Actually, what is that? Then first be normal time. Then second question will be normal time. The third question will be little bit faster,
Okay.
in which the
Okay.
candidates get pressured. Yeah. So they can't remember what they're thinking. In that, they lost all the questions. Their situation that currently happening there. Yes, sir.
Okay, so like set 7. So you can say that the series I uploaded over there on internet, it's making like it's good. It's useful for the people, right?
Yes, sir.
And have you gone through any other YouTube
Yes, sir.
channel
If you continuously practicing
which
that,
is providing all those
no
data?
question will be there. Yes, sir. You can. No, sir. No. No. Actually, I just gone through, but they are providing enough time. For example, 10 seconds they are providing for repetition.
Okay.
How can the normal child can also solve it?
Exactly.
It's very easy. So, yes, sir.
That was my main,
So it's
intention.
not a right way to.
Yes,
sir.
please, sir, please.
Yeah, sir. It is not the right way to produce like that, sir. So if some candidate purely depend on that, just they're thinking that 10 seconds is enough for me to solve 20 questions. While going there, he will face a lot of problems. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's why I keep on telling people that you should put yourself in the adversity or in the problem. If you solve all the problem in the more easy mode or easily, right? Then definitely when you're going to face the real exam, the right
Yes, sir.
time, you'll really get
Yes, sir.
panic. And once you get panic, you get fucked. That's how things work over there. And the people will take, lightly all those things.
Yes,
You
sir.
know, you know what is the point of starting this YouTube channel? Because if you see the SSB, like what you say, PPT and other section, people will clear it. Most of the people will clear it. But once it's come to, OIR of Indian Coast Guard, PSB, it's very tough. Like you only told, now it's become tough. Earlier it was like out of 140 people report, 70 people will make through OIR. But I think they are looking for only OIR 1 nowadays. I think how many people
Yes, sir.
reported? 80 people were in a batch, right?
Yes.
And how many people made it to OIR?
Yes, sir.
11, 10.
Sir, 11.
See the ratio, yeah. That's what
Yes,
I was
sir.
keep on telling people. Like
That's what I'm saying, sir.
now things are totally different. And what do you think? Like people were copying over there, from besides someone is copying from any other candidate. So like that they were doing something. Some people, have you observed that?
No, sir. No, sir. I didn't observe anything, sir. If you look into there, then you will lost lot of time, sir. Seriously, we can't.
Okay.
Yeah, we can't look others.
And there's no point of copying also because
No
out
enough
of
time.
80
Yes,
only
sir.
11 people are making, 12 people are clearing that OIR, then you don't know where the people are sitting, right? The people are individually practiced people who already did a lot of work on that, right? That's why they are able to clear it.
Yes,
Some
sir.
other people, they were not the first time they were
Yes,
there.
sir.
That's cool, okay, everything is first time. You can, again prepare well and again come over there, but not a big deal. So, what do you think? OAR, okay, OAR is done. We practice a lot. What strategy meet? Okay. Mm. Dress code is in the formal, right? Totally tie and formal pant shirt, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so officer tried to increase the speed over there manually. They did that.
Uh, yes, sir.
They did manually to increase the speed over there.
Yes, sir. In section 4 and section 7.
Okay, maybe they are not, but some questions will be like 4 to 5 seconds. Some question immediately come for 3 seconds
Yes,
to
sir.
increase the
In
pressure.
section 7. Yes, sir. In section 7.
Yes, that happened. One of the candidate told me yesterday, like the day before yesterday, like he was going through that set 7, and set 7 third question was of only 2 to 3 seconds, and rest of like 4 to 5 second questions were there.
Yes, sir.
And he got panic. He missed that, and bloody he put that mark on one above the other, like skipping the series, that line.
Yes,
And then
sir.
later he found okay where I did the mistake, and he left out with 21. 20 the last where I did, and he just came down the top. That he left the blank, the second one, and keep on skipping all those questions. And lately I was like,
Yes,
oh
sir.
man, I did this mistake. And tell me one more thing. In set 7, the officer last at the end will giving time you guys for to, otherwise directly once you're done with question 20, they ask you to raise your hand up, like put your pen down like that.
5 seconds.
Okay.
Maximum 5 seconds.
Okay,
5
maximum
seconds.
5 seconds. That to be not in
Yes,
all
sir.
the board. What I get to know. In
Yes,
Delhi,
sir.
sometimes it totally depends on them, right?
Yes, the officer started counting from 10, 9, 8 to 7 till 1. That will be the time.
Right.
Excess time. That will be the excess time for us.
Okay. But some people told me that they are not giving time. They were like, once it is,
Yes,
please
sir.
raise your hands up. It's over.
Yes.
And
Yes, sir.
put your-
Some boards.
yeah. That is right in information, right?
Yes, sir.
And some people were like, okay, they'll mark later. They'll write down on the rough sheet A, B, C, D, and all. Once the officer say, they'll left out with that.
No, sir. That won't be work out, sir.
Because no, one candidate did that actually, and basically the main objective of an officer to do that, the circles didn't marked up properly.
Yes,
That is
sir.
the time he gave for that, not to mark the circle again properly, everything. That
Yes,
would be
sir.
like more time consuming. So I think that's the place where most of the people did mistake, and people are failing most of the times is because of set 7. They're not able to clear
Yes,
it.
sir.
So what was like feedback from other people? Like you interacted with them, I suppose, by the time of after exam is over, especially OIR.
I just after completing my OR, I spoke to some of the candidates who are sitting waiting
Okay.
for the results.
Okay.
What about I just as asked about the section 7.
Uh-huh.
They are saying that they're given only 3 seconds. I'm just seeing that, looking into the number, just counting, option
Mhm.
gone.
Mm-hmm.
Just saying that it's very difficult for me to solve section 7.
Okay.
A lot of people out of around 80, just
Mhm.
11 cleared. I just asked only the 11 candidates who are cleared OAR. What about section 7? They said that yeah, I have practiced. I don't know which YouTube channel. Yeah, what somewhere. They said that I cleared around 15, more than 15.
Hey.
Yeah, yeah, totally. The OAR is purely dependent on section 7.
Yeah, in most of the
Yes,
cases,
sir.
if you because word formation question, most of the people are not able to solve it. Once you are not able to solve the word formation question, then that's a bit
Yes,
tough.
sir.
If you get the edge over there, because if you see out of 80
Yes.
people, I think 1 or 2 people, not even no one will be able to solve those word formation questions. When they are not able to solve the word formation question, then they have to give the good presentation, especially on this set 7. But the people already, nowadays I'm telling each and every word like what already came over there, right? In PPT session, I used to tell them. Even the people yesterday, I
Yes,
interviewed
sir.
Abhishek. He is from pursuing his MSc from bits, right? Somewhere in Lucknow. And that person told me that I left, with 2-3 questions in set 7. But I cleared the questions in the word formation. The same questions came over there. And he, directly went there and started encircling them without even, reading those questions and everything, because he knew all those questions. So that was a
Yes, sir.
advantage for that. That's why I don't know, word formation even push you beyond it. But if you clear the set 7, it's more than enough. So the people were like saying it's very tough to right?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay, so that was it. So you told about our channel some to them or not? Nothing. I'll only ever practice from this channel. Nobody else will do that.
Yes, sir. I should no. After completing my OER, I said yes. I'm very confident about me.
Okay.
Some of the candidates looking at me, they're asking about how you did section 7. I said I fully corrected 20 out of 20. Then they're starting how you practice. Then I showed our channel that I just practice. This sir is uploading lot of video. Just practice.
Mhm.
I just showed more than 10 people I showed, sir. 10 candidates I showed about our channel.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
You're not like that.
Sir, they're
Okay.
asking about me how the success. So I just showed that.
Okay, cool. Then that's wonderful. And when they announced the result of OIR, what was the expression of people over there? I think some of them are the first time. What was the number they called you on, like first, second, third, fourth?
Yeah, sir. Actually, see, yes, sir. Actually, an officer came and just a list have. In that, some of the candidates saying that only 10 people are selected, only 12 people are selected. Just I got that little panic, more excitement to watch the results. Then just they started announcing my name in the first. I got very happy, sir.
Your name was like
Actually,
first.
they announced my name in the first.
First.
Yes, sir.
Awesome, dude. Like 3 people
Yes, sir.
from our channel got first, like they called the first name.
Yes,
You,
sir.
Abhishek also
Yes,
told,
sir.
and one more guy is there. That's great, dude. That is wonderful. Maybe if you're getting one, they calling by number 1, maybe just because of a name also calling the category, right? Arvind, Abhishek, maybe that call in the
Yes, sir.
category. But anyhow, you guys making it up. You're confident, right? You did very well.
Yes, sir.
That is the main objective, and I don't know why the fuck people coming and telling this things are very tough and this is the problem. Its time is very less, and I was like, bloody go and practice some other channel. I'm not here to please you or to make you happy, right? If you really want to clear it, you have to go through that. Right? You have to face the consequences of
Yes,
it.
sir. Yes.
That is one of the thing. Like they have to usually,
Yes.
right? And okay, when they announce the name, so you was the first there to stood. And what about other people?
I told me to stand outside.
Okay, Arvind, now tell me.
Yes, sir. Just when they announced my name, they asked me to take your bag and just stand outside.
Okay.
So no enough time to talk and no enough to look at any other face. Just out of 80, those 11 cleared and others just were to be sent outside back to home. That's all.
I know it's
Yes,
painful
sir.
because
After that,
people are coming from different places all over
yes,
from India and outside, maybe some
yes,
coming
sir.
from Assam and all those places, maybe Uttarakhand and all. That's okay, but it's far, Rajasthan,
Yes, sir.
other places. So we have to deal with all those things, but that's a fucking reality.
Yes, sir.
But doesn't matter, guys. If you're feeling that, no issues. But you have to come prepare next time. Prepare better. I already uploaded all the videos. Everything is available on my YouTube channel right now, just because of now mirror image rotation were not there earlier. Now it is also available.
Yes, sir.
Blood relation were not there. Now it is. I think mirror image rotation no one used to provide earlier, right?
Yes, sir. No one is providing properly. Yes, sir.
And there's a one very important thing in 3D picture also were over there nowadays. 3D in, mirror image and rotation. I think this set it was not there, but in SRD drive it was there.
Oh,
3D image.
I don't know.
So 3D is also ready from my end. The time that I need to just publish
Okay.
it, I'll do it for all you guys. But the thing is that you should keep practicing it. And okay,
Yes, sir.
now the OIR is ready, right? Now
Yes,
tell
sir.
me, they made you to sit in the room, I think, for PP and DT, right?
Yes, sir.
So what was the picture they shown you, and how much time there was in between? They asked you to come in the room for a discussion, or the time when you done with your story writing?
Yes, sir. After the OER result, they just allotted me a chest number 1.
Mm-hmm.
They allotted me chest number 1. Then you have to went inside a room hall. In that, our psychologist sir, I think, I don't know which sir, psychologist sir will be present there. They given a time of 30 seconds to observe the image.
Okay.
30 seconds to observe the image, and after that 1 minute to write the action and mark the characters.
Okay.
How many characters?
Great.
And 4 minutes to write the story. Yeah, well, in my story, actually, I saw the image like college background. 5 students are sitting in the park, on the ground, and 2 are walking on the footpath. This is what the picture shown to us.
Okay, great. So, are you able to finish your story that in particular time? The time provided to you?
No, sir.
Okay.
While writing, I made to 3 by 4. I didn't wrote my conclusion part.
Okay, great. No issues. And once like it is done, so what was the time when they called you in the room for the discussion? There was some time given to you? 5, 10, 20, 30 minutes, 1 hour?
So more than 5 minutes? No, 30 minutes. So just more than 5 to 7 minutes, sir. Yes, that's all.
Okay, that's
approximately 7 minutes they given.
They didn't give you much time to practice revise your story and all, right?
No, sir.
And I would like to the users who are watching this video right now, listening this audio right now, I want to tell you them that the time which you get in between that, right? Just keep revising your story. Stop beating around bush or bloody some doing any chit-chatting with your friends. Just sit somewhere outside and keep repeating your story. Otherwise, write down on a sheet of paper. So you are able to narrate the story very easily, more comfortable. Because maybe it's not already make up story, then it is a problem. If you already made up story, then it is okay because you already know that how to take that story to the next level. But sometimes you don't know that. So in that case, I think one should be ready with all those kind of things coming in time. So what was chest number they gave you?
1, chest number 1, sir.
Oh my, holy shit! Awesome. Okay, chest number 1. Okay, so he was the first one to narrate the story, right? It's okay.
Yes,
no issues. Light, we are only putting audios and videos want to become properly, I suppose. Right? So,
yes, sir.
So, chest number 1. So, what was the story you made over there? If you feel comfortable, you only can surprise, you can leave it. No problem. Because the same story you can make further also.
I can't. No, sir. I'm just made about social awareness. Just creating.
Okay, great.
Social awareness. The most common story in my mind is that culturals. I mean, events, conducting events, other department functions, inaugurations.
Okay.
Most of the candidates creating like this story. So I thought of the current situation is a lot of pandemic. So I thought of creating social awareness in between.
Okay. So what
was my story? Yes, sir.
Please tell me.
Yes, well, my story is totally different from all other candidates. So I didn't mean that anything.
Okay.
And the common story made by them is almost, I thought of that cultural events.
Okay.
I knew it.
Okay. So what about rest of the people, 10 people, they were on the same track? Or anybody's story is unique or something?
Unique story, sir.
You also have everybody's story? Different?
No. Yeah. All other 10, they have a unique story that we have conducting the inauguration, we have connecting this.
Okay, like that only. Events, inauguration, some drive or some planting, whatever it is, like that only. Not that much difference, right?
Yes,
not a huge difference. Someone is like planting bomb, we are doing some rescue operation, not like that, right?
Yes. Not like that. That's just normally events, cultural events, like what.
Okay, so how was the discussion went over there? Like they were very bhasad, we say, bhasad, lot of hangamas and all, fighting and all,
yes,
peaceful, calm.
Starting after the last candidate finishes narration, just starting fish market. Sure. No one can identify what they are saying.
Okay.
Just in my plus point is that they are discussing about that this should be conduct in this way. So in my story, I have created social awareness, so I can just say two more points that current situation is that if you are conducting like this, we can say that a social awareness, distance, sanitizing, wearing mask, we can use like that. So my story comes in between them. This is my point.
Okay.
This is my plus point actually. In that story, this is my plus point, sir. Actually.
So what you did in that story, what steps you have taken to fulfill that gap between you telling that your story makes a good impact over there?
Sir, nothing. It says that one is the chairperson, who's in the college, then he is just starting discussing about the current pandemic situation. So we have to make some people aware of that. Started presenting how the other countries facing a lot of problems due to COVID-19, and we have to see either vaccination properly, wearing masks, going. Likewise, I just build up a story. Yes, I
Okay.
just posted there, sir. Then all other 10 candidates are not aware of the COVID-19. They're not saying anything. They're saying that we have to conduct this. We have to make one leader. We have to like this. So I